It's impeccably beautiful midday. All my distress go away. I'm practicing speaking English. I will be a fluent English speaker, obviously, one day. Hey bro, how is going on? I'm practicing speaking English all alone. All my pain already gone. It's my hobby to practice speak English. It's my job. What I can't stop. So right now I'm walking through a village field. As you can see, lots of trees are over there, and I'm surrounded by lots of field. It's midday, even though some farmers are working exactly over there. Yes, it's a huge paddy field, right? Beautiful landscape, and I really don't wanna escape from this place. I'm enjoying gentle breeze. Gentle breeze is blowing, and it's a winter season. That's why, even though it's midday, I'm not feeling heat, and it's not scorching outside. Literally, I'm not boiling outside. Actually, no one is here except some farmers who are really industrious and who are active, who are harvesting their crops, who are collecting their crops as well. And it's a splendid, beautiful, natural view. So what about you? What are you doing right now nowadays? Please share with me. Share about your updates, about your practice and all these things. Let me show you the whole area. Yes, beautiful landscape, a huge horizon, right? It's really nice. So have you ever visited this kind of crops field, paddy field? If the answer is yes, then please let me know. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful to you because you guys all the time support me for improving my speaking skills. I really need your support. Please subscribe, Speakly, and keep motivating me for improving my speaking skills. All the best wishes for you guys. Love you all.